Hello guys, if you are looking for construction templates, here we are on this website online/templatestore.com. The link is also in the description, which you can use to get to the website. Here you got over 200 templates for PowerPoint, Excel, Word, PDF and much more. For example, there's also for less than $1 a template. For example, let's do project management. Let's go right here. Here are 55 tried and tested site management document templates for project management. You have like these monthly progress reports, subcontractor rating form, tenant tracking template and much more. You all get them for a one-time offer for $39, for example this one. These are all the templates that are included. You can open one and see for yourself how it looks like, and here is some more information if you want some key benefits and satisfaction guaranteed. You also got some for human resources, for example, the human resources templates, and here are all the templates that are included. And let's do one last one, full house special. You also have the full house one. You get 418 premium templates, all these ones, and these are the bonus offers you get with it, email impact and the performance scorecard you get as well with the full house bundle, and that's $199, and then you got all the 480 templates, which could of course help you out. That's also the special offer. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I will try to help you out, and I hope you have a great day.